Hello, this video is to show you how to integrate Nearpod into your Canvas course. So even in the home page of your course, even if you see Nearpod here, which I don't right now, but even if you did, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's integrated into your course. So what you need to do is go to your home, find settings, then you're going to go to apps, and then you're going to find Nearpod. The easiest way to do that is just to search for it here. You're going to add the app here, and then it's going to ask you for a consumer key and a shared secret. You have to have this in order for the Nearpod lessons to integrate into your Canvas. So I'm going to show you how you can get that. You're going to go to another tab, and you're just going to go to nearpod.com. Once you go to nearpod.com, don't log in yet. You're going to go over here to these three lines, and you're going to scroll down to LMS integrations. Click on LMS integrations, and you're going to click to the middle of the screen, generate consumer key and shared secret. And then you're going to log in, and you're going to log in using the same login as the Nearpod account you have through your Clever. Once you do that, this is going to generate your consumer key and shared secret codes. Then you can copy them. It's easier to do them one at a time. Just click copy. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to right click, paste. Go back to the Nearpod screen. Copy the shared secret. Go back here. Click paste and add app. Now it is fully integrated into my course, so then when I go to an assignment and I choose external tool, my Nearpod will come up and I'll be able to find the lessons that I've created in Nearpod. If when you get to this screen and you log in and this does not pop up for you, instead there's a message that's saying only districts that support LMS integration or something like that comes up, that may be because you may have more than one Nearpod account, or the Nearpod account that you're trying to log into is not the one that's linked to Clever in Syracuse City School District. This happened to me when I first tried to find it, and all I did was call Nearpod right here, get in touch today. I called them, and honestly, they were super helpful, and they linked my account to the Syracuse City School District, and then the shared secret and consumer key popped up. So I would call, if that doesn't work for you, I would call this number, and they can help you with that.